use this mathematical trick to impress your friend. Get the phone number of anyone using these mathematical tricks. It's an easy mathematical hack so that you can use it to get the phone number of anyone that you want to get his or her phone number. Especially my guys, I know you know this better. Yes, that is what I just said. You can get it. So follow the steps carefully to the end. Enter the first 3 digits of your phone number. So you are going to be asking the person. So you ask the person, you don't let the person know that you are coming to look for his phone number. Just say, oh, maybe calculate something in your phone calculator for me, or if you have a calculator, can you kindly calculate this for me? Now you tell the person, enter the first 3 digits of your phone number. The next, you ask the person, multiply the result by 25. And then you multiply this result again by 40. And now you add the next 3 digits of the phone number. Wow, that is it. Continuation. Now, after you got the answer, multiply the answer by 50 again. Now you add 1 to the result. Multiply the result by 400. Add the last 4 digits. Remember, we added the first 3, the next 3, and now left with the 4 digits. You add the last 4 digits. Add the last 4 digits again. So you repeat it, and then you ask for the answer from the person. Let's do a demonstration. Steps. We shall use this phone number 056 349 3832. I just wrote the phone number randomly. So if this is somebody's phone number, it's not my fault. Sorry for that. Now, the first step is that enter the first 3 digits of the phone number. You ask the person to enter the first 3 digits. So here the first 3 digits what? 056. So example 056. Now the next step says that multiply the result by 25. So I multiply 056 times 25, and the result is 1400. That is 1400. Now multiply this result again, the 1400 by 40, and then you are going to get 56000. That is 56,000. The next is that add the next 3 digits of the phone number. So the next 3 is 349. So you add it to this result to 56,000. So I add 56,000 plus the next 3 digits, which is 349. Okay, then this you get this result. The next is multiply the result again by 50. This result by 50, and you are going to get 2817450. Note that this answer does not resemble the phone number, so the person will not know that you are looking for his phone number. If you are looking for a lady's number, you can use it to get it very sharp. Now next, wow, yeah, that is it. Add 1 to the result. So you add 1 to that result we got from the previous step, and you get this. Now multiply the result by 400. Multiply this by 400. So you just have to take your time and master these steps. They are just few steps, and you can easily master it. Multiply by 400. So it means I'm multiplying this figure here by 400. You are going to get the result. It doesn't look like a phone number. Yes. Now add the last 4 digits of the phone number. So the last 4 is 3832. We added the first 3, the next 3, now the last 4 digits that are remaining. So you add it to this result. So you add it to 1126980 So we add it to that. So that is what we did, and this is the result you are going to get. Now repeat the thing again. So you are going to add the last 4 digits again. So you see that you are even repeating the last 4 digits. The person will not know that, but now I have repeated my phone digit double. So how will he even get my number? He's not aware of what you are doing. Okay, now You add it again. So I'm adding the last 4 digits again to the result here, and I'm going to get this other answer. Now this is the answer you now ask for from the person. Note, all these steps, you don't let the person tell you. Just let the person be, just be asking the question. Let the person put in the data and everything. You only ask for this answer. So the answer doesn't look like a phone number. Now you can now take it away, or if you want to impress him, you can now take it and do whatever you want to do it there. Now note that this is the answer you take from the person. Now you come. Now your turn is that pick that answer, which is this, divided by 2. So the answer the person gives to you, just pick it, divide by 2, and you see that it's getting to look like the phone number. Now after dividing by 2, subtract 200. Subtract 200 from it, and your answer is going to be 0 5 6 3 4 9 3 8 3 2, and that is the phone number out. So you only perform 2 steps. Pick the answer the person will give you, divide by 2, and multiply, and subtract 200 from it, and then you have gotten the person's phone number like that. So you can use this mathematical trick to impress your friends. You can go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to it, and like and subscribe. Don't forget to share to bless a friend. Hey, have this intelligent.
Nothing in the world like holiday cheer. Friends and family gather near, cozy by the fire as the snow appears.